to Hodge. The floater, no. Kanya rin yung board. Hodge reverse, good.
The hardest worker on that side. Nakakatawa actually yung unang tira niya. It was a left-handed looper of a floater na hindi ko maintindihan. Pero Hodge being Hodge, offensive rebound and clean.
Hodge on the move. Gets it to Newsom. And one.
Exactly, a top layup, a top shot. Pero Newsom, top shot maker that he is.
Started with Meralco. Karam, no. Look at the gang rebounding there. Para sa Meralco.
3 attempts. Of course, you're gonna get one, Magu. Well, para naman sa Barangay Ginebra, ito nakikita natin. Very disappointed. Coach Tim Cone grabbed that rebound. Kausap na si Ralph. Tatlong.
It's it up to Quinto. Sila naman yung magpa-pound doon. Dahil Quinto feels he's got the advantage on Maverick. And one para kay Pong.
Nakikita din natin ang lakas ni number 19, no?
Ito naman kasi, Jolly, nung nasa Letran, 4 laro.
4.
Kaya yung mga ganyan, basic sa 4. Looking for the opening, bounces to Hodge, and one para dito kay Cliff.
He just worked super hard. Clifford Hodge, diba? Just cutting to the basket every time, making the correct play. Hindi po, tira niya yan, ano? Hinayaan siya.
Oh! Big cleanup job there by Aguilar. And some cause for concern now para sa Meralco.
Yeah. Nice sequence para sa Barangay Ginebra. They let Clifford Hodge save it.
Banquero pushing hard, leaves it for Raymond.
Nabitawan.
Swerte na lang ni rock and roll, mapulot pa niya. Pandakdak na sana eh.
Tama. He loves going to his left hand every time. Ano? Pumunta na naman siya sa kaliwang kamay. Nabitawan na bahagya. Somehow got that.
Thought about the 3, gives it up. 3 to shoot. Alain on the run, and one!
Hirap ng tira. Pero a tough shot maker is Alain Maliksi. Mahirap ang tira. Parang wala na sa angulo yung kanyang running.
LA's teardrop cuts this deficit to 10.
It's a thing of beauty.
Thompson, kakwentuhan naman natin si Escobar, tapos nasa sideline si Mirabales. Japit with a 3-point play opportunity to open up the scoring for the third.
That's the way to get back into a ball game. Na magandang stop. First possession ng Meralco Boss. They get a stop.
Okay, sa Meralco, Stan Hardinger will get continuation.
So despite a lot of contact, the bulldozer still getting his basket. Tingnan mo yung Meralco.
Yusuf Scott! Oh! Salampak! Wala dito kay Chris.
Akala ko, finger roll layup. Sabi ni Chris Newsom. Hammers that down.
That's the way. Anmisi lights it up.
I say what a sequence para kay number 9, Scotty Thompson. The block on one side, the assist on the other. Papunta dito kay...
Joining Almazan and Torres. Banquero to the shoot. The scoop. It's good!
Yun ang maganda, no? Just recognizing na Ginebra to di ba? Talagang very capable of coming back. So you step on that gas. Interesting. Akala ko charging fouls in other life.
Onwubere back on the floor. And one para kay Sydney.
Injecting some life into Barangay Ginebra. Sidney Onwubere.
Meralco pushing. Newsom gets behind the D.
Oh!
Another jam para kay Chris Newsom.
Dunk number 2. 14 big points para kay Chris.
Tuloy sa kampyonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado. Ang laban